Hey guys, this is Minlong Company. Many of you working on overseas mining and engineering projects keep asking, what's the actual cost per kilowatt hour when generating electricity with natural gas? Today, in one short video, I'll break down the overseas natural gas power generation cost into three key parts: gas source, generator units, and maintenance. I'll give you the real all-in electricity cost and tell you the real number at the end. First, gas source cost. Here at Minlong, we have long-term access to overseas gas sources from Russia, Canada, Central Asia, and more. The stable on-site gas price is about 7.4 cents per cubic meter. With standard generator efficiency, producing 1 kWh consumes roughly 0.25 to 0.3 cubic meter of gas. That works out to a pure gas cost of only 2.2 to 2.4 cents per kilowatt hour, and that's the biggest advantage of natural gas power generation. Second, generator unit depreciation cost. For overseas mining and industrial projects, there are two common types of units. Single internal combustion units comes with power ranging from 300 kilowatts to 2000 kilowatts. Low power units are grouped in multiple parallel connections, whereas high power ones use fewer units in parallel. That's enough to cover most overseas project needs. Take a 1 NW single genset as an example. A well-known supplier like us, Minlong Company quotes an ex-factory price of around $300,000 US, with prices fluctuating based on different configurations. Although there's an initial investment when depreciated over many years, the cost per kilowatt hour stays very low. Price gaps between different unit models barely affects the final power generation cost. Third, comprehensive cost, maintenance, logistics, customs, etc. For long-term operation overseas, adding equipment depreciation, international logistics, custom duties, and all other supporting expenses, maintenance costs are about 0.74 cents per kilowatt hour. Quick summary. Based on our extensive overseas project data, the overall minimum integrated cost of overseas natural gas power generation is only 3.7 to 4.2 cents per kilowatt hour. Low cost, stable operation, great value, excellent fees for overseas mines, industrial parks, and remote areas with poor grid access. If you need gas genset selection, project budgeting, or a complete power solution, feel free to reach out to Minlong Company. We provide one-on-one professional support to get your project up and running. See you in the next video.